Okay, hey everyone. So we're doing lesson 60. This is page 96, and we're talking about the primary triads in a minor key, not major, minor key. We know now how to figure out our relative minor from the major and vice versa. So let's start with a key signature that we know and the example in the book, and that's A minor. We know to find A minor's relative major is to go up a minor third. So if you start your little interval A to C, you know that that's a minor third. In the key of A, C should be sharp, but we want it minor, so it's C. So that means I'm going to start my scale on A, but I'm going to keep my key signature as C, okay? So now I'm just worried about the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the only thing that's different here is your 5 is dominant. Your 5 is big, okay? So your 5 is going to be a major. These guys are minor. So all you're going to do here is you're going to build this.
Can you be much quieter?
And all you have to do with A, you don't have to do a thing. So it's just like in your major primary triads. You don't have to do any accidentals. Your 4, it also is the same. The only difference here is your 5. Your 5, you're going to have to make it major, which is a major triad on the bottom and a minor triad on top makes it major. So let's go through and figure it out. In the key of A, C is minor, right? I mean, C should be sharp. No, wait, I'm in the wrong key. In the key of E, I was on the wrong clef. In the key of E, G should be sharp to make it major. Well, then we need to sharp it. There you go. And in the key of G sharp, which there actually isn't one, that B would be sharped, but we want it minor, so it's going to be lowered to regular B. So that is why, because that's going to be a minor third. Minor third has 1, 2, 3, 4 notes in it. 4 black keys and white keys between the two intervals, or between the 2 notes. So right there is a minor, so that gives us our dominant. Okay? So you just have to remember the 1 and the 4 you don't have to add any accidentals to. The 5 you will. Now, take a look at the other part of the page, and it talks about these harmonic minor triad scale. So notice when you're building these, I'm going to do it in treble clef. Notice when you're doing these, you have a little 1, a diminished 2, an augmented 3, a little 4, a big 5, a big 6, a diminished 7, just as the same as in a major, and then a baby 1. So make sure you know how to build the minor scale as the same as you know how to build that major scale.